looking for how to fix Instagram story music no result found problem. In this video I show you how to fix Instagram story music no result found. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, update Instagram if available any update version, and go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now tap on your story. Now tap on music. Now search your music. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram story music no result found. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.